we can no longer separate nature from humanity. One cannot exist without the other. That is why NTT is working to solve environmental issues through our business operations and innovative technologies, preserving nature for generations to come. How? By exploring 3 different focus areas that can make our vision a reality. 1. Moving toward a decarbonized society. Through promoting energy conservation and using more renewable energy sources, while developing the next generation of innovative environmental technologies like nuclear fusion, space-based solar energy, innovative energy grids, and even lightning capture and protection. With ion technology, we can radically reduce the power consumption of digital devices. 2. Implementing resource recycling. Reducing plastic use, improving the management of energy and scarce resources, and implementing measures against chemical leakage into the environment. 3. Building a future where people and nature live together in harmony. NTT Group is working hard to achieve carbon neutral status by 2040 while supporting natural ecosystems conservation. NTT embraces sustainability by working every day to incorporate practices, technology, and taking actions as part of our culture and operations. NTT, committed to a sustainable future.